those in your families who've gone on before you. Starting with our families and then to those other freedom fighters for African people. We call up their names today to honor them, to thank them for making it possible for all of you to make this journey today. So we call you our ancestors and ask you to be here with us in all that we do. Begin high, Alpha high, and call out your ancestors. Call them out loud. Let us hear you.
Maddie Williams.
All right. Call
Darrell Williams.
Call them.
George Jennings.
Call them.
Eugene James.
Call them.
Matilda James.
Call them.
Minnie James.
Call them.
Geraldine Moore.
Alan Williams.
Gene McCain.
Kenneth Woods.
Jerome Stevens.
Rosie Randall.
Debbie Dunn.
Jacqueline. Archie. Charles. Patterson.
Hatton Williams.
Lois Jones.
Freddie James.
Viola Smith.
And all the ancestors' names that we have not called, but whose shoulders we stand upon. We thank you, and we will never forget to remember you. Ashe.
Ashe.
And as we make this promise to ourselves before we go into the waters, I ask you to repeat after me a promise to myself.
To myself.
Okay?